धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद जी। इस साल हम ये अवार्ड्स लेके आए हैं 13 कैटेगरीज में, और ये 13 कैटेगरीज जो हैं वो इस प्रकार से हैं। वी हैव मिस्ट्री, हॉरर, रोमांस, autobiography, biography, poetry, collection of short stories, book for children, historical fiction, science fiction, thriller, and this year we've added two very good categories. These are best authors under 25 for female and best author under 25 for male. Apart from this, I would like to also tell you about the jurors. So we very carefully picked up the jury, and it was made up of novelists, journalists, and media persons. This comprises of Ms. Sujata Parashar, Mr. Gaurav Chaudhary, Mr. Harshvardhan Tripathi, Mr. Ravi Shankar, Mr. Uday Pratap Singh, and Mr. Ashok Motwani. This year we also added a new system of assessment, where we have introduced voting online as well. So this year the jury is divided into two parts. The first part was the jury assessment by the jurors, and the second part was the jury assessment by the voters. So the jury assessment by the jurors will be 50% weightage, and the juror assessment by voters will be 50% weightage. The jury started on the 23rd of December and was completed only yesterday. The online voting was opened on the 14th of January and was completed yesterday evening. Over the next 3 days, all the data will be collated, all the results will be collated, and they will be tabulated, and the results will be out on the 31st of this January. We will be informing the respective authors and the publishing houses by the first morning, so that their presence is there on the 6th for the awards.